Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's time for me to give you an update on my 100 envelope challenge, 10K in 100 days challenge. So, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My husband and I are consumer debt free, and I am budgeting our spending money, but part of me budgeting our spending money is that I have taken on this 10K in 100 days challenge to get me in line to get some things done in my life. At the end of the challenge, I'll let you know what I did with what I'm going to do with the money, but I don't want to speak on it right now because you know how that is. You might have it planned for something and something else might happen. So I give you a weekly update every Sunday. So this is day number 21. So this will be the third week. And so the idea is for you to pull an envelope every day for 100 days. And I wait to the end of the week and pull my envelopes. I wait to see how much I have saved up, and then I pull my envelopes accordingly. That way, I am less stressed. It's already stressful trying to do the 10K in 100 days. So I came up with this idea to decrease my stress. So I stick because I want it to be fun, even though it seems a stretch to say 10K in 100 days. I still want it to seem to be, I want it to kind of be fun. I want the journey to be fun. So that's why I do it that way. So I gave you, when I first started the challenge, I gave you 5 strategies that I was going to do to save the money. Remember, I used my money from the 5K challenge and the 52 weeks challenge to get it started. And if you want to see what that amount was, go check out that video. That's one strategy, to use money I already had for previous challenges. The second thing was we were going to change our car insurance. We have 3 vehicles. One of them is a 05, one is a 06, and one is a 08. And we swapped over the 05 and 06 to liability. So that's a strategy that we had to save money. The third thing was to get rid of some unwanted items in our house, sell it on Facebook Marketplace. That was the third one. And the fourth one was to market my Etsy, get serious about marketing my Etsy and my YouTube channel, and I've been doing that. And the fifth one is, I forgot what the fifth one is. I put it on the screen. So the reason why I mentioned those are those strategies because I used one of them to, I used 2 of them to get the money for the third week. And that was, number one, I sold a karaoke machine that we're no longer using. I sold it on Facebook for $20. And I decreased our car insurance from full coverage to liability on 2 of our vehicles. We were paying $362 a month, and it went down. Well, this month they gave us a credit, so this month we only paid $238. So that is a difference of what? $124. So we say $124 plus the 20 from the Facebook sale. That's $144 for this week. And my sister went to Georgia, so I text her and told her while she's in Georgia, go ahead and grab me some Georgia lottery tickets. Yes, I grabbed me some tickets. Okay, I got them. Don't worry about it. I got them. So, and guess what? I won $20. Yay! Even though I don't have the $20 in my hand, I'm going to count it for this week because I'm claiming it. So my husband and I are going to Georgia the end of this month for my birthday, and I'll redeem that then. If something happened and I don't redeem it, of course, I'll subtract it and let you know. But I'm going to go ahead and count it because I'm believing that I'm going to get it. So that's a total of $164 this week. This week was a slow week, but I'm not going to get discouraged. Because if you've been watching my video, I gave you some good news. So next week should be a better week, but I'm transparent, and I'll let you know if I only save $1. Whatever. It's a journey. That's why it's a journey. It don't happen overnight. So the total for this week was $164. So if today is day number 21, this is my tracker. The number at the top represents the envelope, and the number at the bottom represents how much you put in the envelope. So I already have 18 envelopes. I was 4 envelopes ahead last week. I was only supposed to pull have a total of 14, so I went ahead and pulled 4 extra ones for weeks like this when I'm kind of slow. I want to kind of stay ahead if I can, but so yeah. So I only have to pull 3 more envelopes to make it a total of 21. So since this is the 21st day. So let me recount and make sure that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. So I only need to do 3. So, you know, I started out with the larger numbers to go ahead and break the ice. So yeah. So we're gonna mark off 3 more envelopes to make it a total of 21. Hold on. Yeah, so I had to make sure I had my tracker in frame because the last video I did not have it in frame. So I got my $1 calculator out here. So that's 164. So we're gonna subtract as we go. So 164. So we're gonna choose envelope number. Oh, I had it wrote down. What happened? Number 65. And number 65 is 130. So we're gonna subtract 130 from. So they leave me with 34. And the next envelope is number 10. And that one has $20 in it. We're going to subtract 20. And the last one is envelope number 7. It has $14. That's all we need is $14 more and give me 0. So now we are caught up 21 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes! So yeah, as I always mention in this video, I use this little tracker that I got from Monet's Money to track my progress, but I'm not, I don't have enough to really color in anything. I'm gonna wait. I'll wait till next week and see how much I get. But yeah, if you're interested in this tracker, you can check out her YouTube channel. I have it linked in my description box. So yeah, this is Miss Vee. I will be sharing with you any money I get. If I find $5, I'm putting it in the 10K challenge. Yeah. All the money, all monies count for this challenge. So yeah, so this is my grand total that I have now. I'll put it up on the screen. And I'm proud of my progress. I've gotten rid of a lot of items that are unwanted. You know, other people were glad to get them. So I still hadn't really emptied my storage building. So I'm looking forward to next week. I think next week is going to be a much better week. Number 1, because I have some overtime. And number 2, because by then I'll have my storage building cleaned out. Yeah. So yeah, that's my update for my 10K challenge. I hope this these videos are inspiring you to do whatever saving challenge you want to do. But this is one I just wanted to push myself. And I think after I do this, I think I'm going to do it once a year. Like whenever I need to really push myself, I'm going to challenge myself to do it once a year. But yeah, of course, I'm going to give myself a break from it. I'm not going to do it the entire year. I'm just going to do it within that 100 days. So yeah, so that's going to conclude this video. This is Miss Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.